So, they actually did it. They really did it. Bro, they actually did this. Wow. Wow. I don't know what to say. They actually did it. Okay. What do I do? What do I do? Oh my god. Oh my. Alright, so we'll be right back. 1 second, so we see. Boom. And we are back. So, I think I'm gonna be opening 3 of these. But I don't want to waste any time. I'm just gonna start off with like 2 of these. See what the odds are looking like. Let's see. Okay, so there's an opal. What is that, a goat? Is that a goat? No, it is not. Since Wiseman. Oh, that's Spurs. I thought that was a call. Okay, never mind. Is this Tim Duncan? Is this goat Tim Duncan? I don't know if I should be excited right now because I don't know if they're rare from those packs, but go Tim Duncan. We just gotta go Tim Duncan. I don't know how to feel about that. I'll be right back when I check the price. Bro, never in my life did I think I was gonna see a GOAT card go for 12K. Never in my life. No actual way. I don't believe this. I still don't believe it. Alright. So I just pulled the GOAT card and lost money. Nice. Alright, gotta open some of these. I'm gonna open 3 of these. So obviously guaranteed to go. Come on. Is that? Oh please, give me honest. Oh please. Is that Bill Russell? It's gonna be Bill Russell. Alright, Bill Russell. I thought that was a book screen. Come on. Oh, don't tell me I got Bill Russell again, bro. No way. No way. Are you serious? Bill Russell again, bro? Bro, he probably goes for like 10K. Come on, 2K. Alright. Nice, let me quick sell. I'm opening like 2 more of these. Nice. Alright, those are not worth opening. Those are not worth opening at all. Instead of opening one of those, you could save your chances and go buy like a goat worth like 10K, bro. Do not open these. Do not open these. Alright, come on, man. This is gonna be the last one I open for these guaranteed ones. So please, just give me one of the better ones. Don't give me. Okay, is that Mavs? It's Jazz. This is gonna be Stockton. I got Stockton. I'm pretty sure he's the lower end one too. So we're gonna be getting 2 Bill Russells, 1 John Stockton, and what's the other guy? Tim Duncan. And I would probably guess their combined value for all of them is like 45-50K. That's actually crazy. And unsurprisingly, John Stockton goes for like 8K. Well, that was cool. So now we got 5 gold cards or 4, however many we pulled. I don't know what to say. Honestly, 2K really broke the market with this. Yeah, I literally have no reaction right now because I haven't processed this yet. But this is crazy. This is crazy. Alright, so pretty much, guys, that's a wrap. I can't believe they did this, but everyone should just hop on right now pick up a couple of Galaxy Opal Gold cards for like 10k each. Some of the ones that aren't as easy to get still go for a good amount. Like this wheel still goes for like 70k. And of course your LeBrons, your Giannis's, your MJs, of course, they still go for a lot. But like, wow, what the hell? Right. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and peace out.